Well, I'm out here flying 6 racers, 4 rollers, and it's pretty windy. As you can see, that thing is really going. I don't know exactly how many miles per hour, but I'm trying to keep the camera on him. The sun's blinding me. It's hard to see him through the viewfinder. I actually had a red-tailed hawk come check him out 5-10 minutes ago. I was worried when I saw it at first because I knew it was a hawk. Then I realized it was a red tail. At first it was coming over kind of interested in them, but it was using every muscle in its body not to barrel roll as it fought the wind, so it moved on out toward the field out in that direction. It didn't hang around. Just in, that is a hawk that just attacked my pigeons. I had a red tail pass by earlier and I just made a video telling about how I was blessed that I had never had a pigeon killed by a hawk. I sure hope that doesn't change today. Well, a hawk just attacked the pigeons and I just called them down. It took them a little longer to get down than usual, but that's mostly just because it's really windy today. So they had a harder time landing. But now they are down, out of the way of any hawk attacks. So that is the importance of feeding and training your pigeons correctly. Because if they were not willing to come down, that hawk may come back. And instead of just attacking one of the pigeons, it might have actually caught and killed one.